Hi, today we are learning exponents. So, we've learned different things in our previous classes. So, today the topic we are covering is comparing the power. So, in the last class, we learned how to write different exponents as in the terms of product of different powers. But today we are writing how to compare those powers. Okay. So this comparing can be classified highly in two sections. So one is when we have places where the base is same. Okay. So I'll give you an example. So if we say 2 to the power of 2, okay, and I say 2 to the power of 3, okay, so the base is same 2, okay, but here the power is 2. So what do we say? 2 into 2, and here we say 2 into 2 into 2, okay. So this is 4 and this is 8, okay. So which one is bigger? 8 is bigger. So 2 to the power 3 is greater than 2 to the power of 2. So it's a bit common sense, right? So if we are multiplying one number more times, it's obviously going to increase in value, okay. So if we take any number, like if we take for example 3, okay, similarly 3 to the power of 2 and 3 to the power of 3, okay. So we have here 3 into 3, okay. Here we have 3 into 3 into 3, okay. So this is 9, this is 27, okay. So this, if 9 will be multiplied with something, any number, it will obviously be bigger than 9, okay. So what we can say is, if the base is same, okay, the number with higher value of power or exponent, okay, is greater in value, okay. And the next section is same power, okay. So now here we have same power but different bases, okay. So if I say I have a different base 2, okay, and a different base 3, okay, so the power is same. Here we have 2 and here we have 2, okay. So if a smaller number is multiplied same times, okay, so 2 into 2 and 3 into 3, okay. So when a smaller number is multiplied 2 times, it's giving 4, and this is 3 into 3, 9. So what can we see here? If a smaller number is multiplied the same time and if a bigger number is multiplied the same time, it will obviously give a bigger value. So the bigger number, when multiplied the same times, will obviously give a bigger value than the smaller number, right? So if I have a small thing, okay, if I have a dot, okay, if I say I will just keep getting one dots, okay, 3 times, so it will only make it 3, right? But if I get a bigger number, so if I'm going to get in one setting 2 dots, okay, and in the second 2 dots, and the second third 2 dots, okay, so in this we had a smaller value, okay, but we got it 3 times. Here we had a bigger value but we got it 3 times, so it made it more, right? So what we can say is, if the powers are same, okay, the number with higher value of base will be greater.